Rahul had some dental problems, so we thought we will schedule a consultation, and here we are. So let me show you what are the procedures that will be taken on Rahul and what are the issues that he has. Plus, let me also show you what is it going to cost us. That is in France. So stay tuned. Bonjour. Welcome back to India to France, where we share tips, experience, and everything you need to know about living and studying in France. If you've been wondering how the French healthcare system works, especially when it comes to things like dental care, then you're in for a treat. Let's get started. Imagine needing dental care in a new country and finding out it's completely free. In this video, we are sharing our experience navigating the French healthcare system, specifically how Complementary Santé Solidaire covered our dental treatments. From cavity filling to cleanings, we are taking you through each step from our own experience, surprised exactly how you can apply for CSS. Stick around to see how France makes healthcare system accessible. So we have Rahul because we both of us experienced this French healthcare system, especially dental. So that's why I have him in the call today. Forcibly, actually, he was not willing to come to the video, but we have him. So any questions, shoot it in the comment. So to begin with, I had my silver filling done back 1 year ago back in India, and just recently it fell off, and I was in a panic mode and I did not understand what to do. Anyways, because we have heard from our friends that getting a dental appointment is very difficult. Maybe it has waiting period of like 3 months and all that. So yeah, it was a very panicky situation. And however, Rahul and I went on Dr. Lib app, which is usually used to book any kind of medical appointment. So once we did that, we typed dentist English word, and we happened to see two listings, doctors listing, which were like 8 to 10 kilometers away, and we booked one of those, and I got appointment in next 10 days. And after a while, I speak to one of my friends, that is Asena, and she guided us to type in dentiste. I'll add the French word somewhere here. So once I did that, surprisingly, there were so many listings. I mean to say, so many doctors appointment available. So we booked it, and I got it within just 2 days. So no waiting period. I got it within just 2 days, and yeah, I went there, and yeah, again I was worried whether how much it's gonna cost, and but still I had to get it done because it was an issue. So once we went there, we were first told to give our carte vitale, and we were asked to wait for some time. And after that, a doctor came to attend us. And once he took us to his cabin, he checked my oral health and said that I don't have any more cavities. It's just that I have my filling fallen off here and there. So he patched it with resin, and that's it. And then I asked him, okay, how much do I pay? And he said, no, it's all covered in our French insurance. That's Complementary Santé Solidaire. So surprisingly, I did not pay anything. So I was like, okay, why don't I take Rahul as well and get his regular checkup done, because he has a lot of cavities. As you can see, some silver fillings he has, and root canal. Yeah, he had got his root canal done last year.
Yeah.
So just for the general checkup, we had been there 3 days ago.
Yeah, 3 days ago.
Yeah, would you like to share experience? How did that?
Yeah, first of all, it was scary because I'm very much scared of needles and everything. And yeah, as she said, we booked it on Dr. Lib, an appointment with the same doctor, and we went to him, and he checked my teeth. And while checking, he mentioned that there's a cavity which needs to be filled. So firstly, we'll have to inject an anesthesia and everything. I was literally scared by the way he said that you have to put anesthesia and then do the thing. But
it was like a general procedure.
A general procedure, yes.
And it was done within like 10 minutes or so?
Yeah, it took 10 minutes, but it was quick. and the doctor was explaining each and every process, what he was doing.
Not just to him, to me as well, because I accompanied him in the
Yes.
cabin because he's a little scared. So the doctor was actually explaining us what is the step, why is it done, and what is the problem. He showed everything.
Yeah.
So this is not just in dental care, this is also practiced in any general appointment that you take. So this is our experience with general practitioner.
Yeah.
I also booked appointment with gynec. Even she was very detailed, and she would explain us why, what, when, and how to avoid everything. So they gave us full attention when we were there. So this is how they treat us, which is like I felt so good after this treatment, almost like, you know, half cured, something like that.
Yeah.
It's just all in head, but somehow it helps, is what I think. So yeah, once you got your procedure done, you also got the teeth cleaning.
Yeah, I also got my teeth cleaned, and it was also a small procedure. Took like 2-3 minutes, and yeah, after that I was done, and yeah, it was quite easy, and the process was simple, and everything was easy.
And how much did it cost you?
Yeah, like she said, it cost me nothing because we are covered by complimentary Sante Solidaire.
Okay, so again, the bill was zero.
Yeah.
About this complimentary Sante Solidaire, this is going to be a very interesting segment which I'm going to add in the next part. So make sure you stick around.
Yeah.
Thank you, Rahul.
Thank you so much for having me. Bye.
Alright, so let's talk about our very recent visit to the dentist. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit nervous. I mean, dental visit in India, a lot of waiting, a lot of kya ye painful hoga, and sometimes a lot of ye charge kitna ho sakta hai. But in France, things were surprisingly chill. Rahul and I both needed some dental work done. He got a cleaning and filling, and I got filling. And there's a surprise. Everything was covered under complimentary Sante Solidaire. Yes. No extra cost, no surprise bills. It was all free. I was expecting to pay at least a small fee, but nope, nada, nothing. I was honestly waiting for some other shoes to drop in, but it never did. Honestly, I thought they'd make us pay for the chair we sat on, or maybe charge us for the French touch of it, for the experience. But no, there was no, the care was entirely top notch, and we didn't even have to pay a single penny. Exactly like you're in the foreign country and you're expecting to pay for your treatment, but then the system just drops you into a nice cozy hug. And trust me, the quality was amazing. The dentist was super professional, no language barrier, and no weird medicine ka side effects moment either. Let me tell you the dental procedure here. It was smooth, super clean, and professional. I was honestly expecting the worst because, well, you know, dental visits aren't really fun anywhere in the world. But here in France, the vibe was just so relaxing. Plus, the dentist even cracked a joke about my Indian teeth, which unfortunately are not perfect. But she was still super gentle with the work. Okay, enough of my dental drama. Let's talk about Complimentary Sante Solidaire, or CSS. If you are an international student or living in France on a low income, this is a magic key that can help you unlock free healthcare, including dental care. CSS is basically a supplemental health insurance plan that covers things like doctor visits, hospital care, and yes, dental care. If you qualify based on your income level, usually for students or low income workers, you can get almost everything covered, like 100%. And it doesn't just cover dental filling, it also includes things like chronic disease treatments, surgery, and so much more. Here's a quick breakdown of what's covered. Chronic diseases like diabetes, asthma, and hypertension. Dental treatments like fillings, teeth cleaning, and extraction. All included. General doctor visits. Your standard GP consultation completely covered. Hospital care, inpatient care, surgeries, even some emergency services. Preventive care, vaccines, and screenings. So, Essentially, if you are eligible for this insurance, you're covered from head to toe, from your teeth all the way to your health. And trust me, it's so worth it. If you're a student on a budget or anyone who needs affordable healthcare in France, this is for you. Let's get down to the fun part. How do you actually get CSS? Well, it's pretty simple. Step 1, you'll need to have your Emily account. Emily is the French health insurance portal. If you are already covered by the French system, you should have an account there. If not, it's time to sign up one right now. It's pretty straightforward, just like creating an account for anything else. Once you're in, you'll book an appointment with L'Assurance Maladie. During that appointment, you'll fill out a form, give proof of income or student status, and wait for your confirmation. Make sure to include details like your rent and monthly expenses because that's what they'll use to determine your eligibility. Once your application is processed, they'll confirm if you qualify. And in just a few days, you'll get a letter confirming your CSS status. And bam, you're covered. Whether it's dental treatment like we got or anything more serious, you can breathe easy knowing CSS has your back. Section 5. Overall, complimentary Santé Solidaire is an absolute lifesaver. We were shocked to find out how much we could get covered. Honestly, this system made us feel like we were in the lap of healthcare luxury, all for free. It's available for low-income people, and if you qualify, it's going to save you a ton of money. Honestly, I can't believe I went through all of this in France with zero expenses. If you are in a similar situation and need affordable healthcare, CSS is your best bet. If you are eligible, go apply for complimentary Santé Solidaire. It's quick, easy, and might just be the thing you never know you needed. Let us know in the comments if you've had any experience with CSS or if you have any questions about the application process. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. And hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our tips and experiences about living in France. Just a quick question. I want to ask, what's been your experience with healthcare in France or in India? Just write down in the comment. Let's see what the audience talk about. Subscribe if you haven't already because that's gonna take my channel long way and I will be equipped to create more content that is again useful for you guys. Alright, that's it for today's video. See you in another one. Until then, bye bye. Take care.
1, go! Oh! Just a little more. Yeah.